Yes, we finally made it. This is the fifth way of how to start the business. This is through partnership. On my end, when I started the business, I started with partnership. That's why I'm very familiar with this. There are two benefits that I can see. Number one is I was able to save money. You can also do it if you know how to do an art of negotiation. Why? I came here in United States or in Texas as I do direct selling, and then one of my clients that I sold the product, he already owned an accounting office for the past 5 years, and he said, Chris, I think you're a good your character, and then you have the sales skills that we can use. I would teach you. And then I said, you know what, I'm new here in United States, but I'm willing to learn. I would be the manager. You don't have any headache. However, I do not have money. Okay? I'm not gonna spend. I don't have enough financial in able to fund to open another office. And he said, you know what, it's a good deal. Let's do it for 3 years. Then let's renew our agreement after that. That's why I render my time, my patience, my character, my knowledge in return of him financing the second office. That's the reason why it gives me like learning. It's like university, because the most important thing about the business is practical application more than theoretical. There are so many ways to learn online, but practical application is one that will give you and really help you a lot to learn how to run the business. Then number two is you can leverage on somebody else's experience or somebody else's resources. So even after 3 years of our business partnership, my business partner has always been my mentor. He taught me a lot of things. The things that I'm going to study at the university, I did not do that because I shadowed how he do things, how he run the office, how he market, how he do taxes, how he start the business, and by the art of negotiation. Those are the things that I've learned from him, and every now and then we still have a cup of coffee. Then I visit him through Thanksgiving. We still keep the relationship despite of we ended up the agreement. That's why I said this is where I believe in. It is not one size fits all, but this might also apply to you. It is better to start friendship out of business rather than starting business out of friendship. I always want to separate my personal relationship to business because we have different value. That's why we're gonna go over what would be the cons or disadvantages of a partnership. Number one, values. When we say values, what would be the long-term plan? What would be the mission, vision, and value of your company? Because on my personal experience, even though we are in a tax company, I do not want to be a seasonal company because those are so many letters. The clients have been receiving so many letters. Small businesses, corporations, LLCs, and individuals, they're receiving letters left and right because my business partner tended to be seasonal. I don't want that. I really like to resolve. I don't want to leave our clients up in the air, not knowing what to do on the IRS letter. That's why we were able to resolve so many IRS problems from audits, from their income even to their expenses. That's why I said I open after tax. I did open bookkeeping and payroll, and then we are doing already those three, even business registration, business consultation. We've been doing that because first, to be honest, first 2 years, I really spent a lot. It's break even. I did not make so much, or I'm not even having net profit out of it. But you know what? It's an investment. You do not see your business making, it's not going to make on the first, second year. But that's why you invest, and then after that, it's going to rebound because if you have an outstanding customer service, so far, I'm thankful that despite of the COVID, we got so many referrals from the clients because we did not left them behind, and that's our unique selling proposition in the tax industry here in South Texas. And number two, aside from different value, you could also have unclear responsibilities and roles. When you have a business partner, this is what happened right now with some of our clients. They have business partner. They thought that they're gonna do this. Somebody expected to do this, but they don't have defined roles and responsibilities. Especially if it's your friend, your family member, it's so hard to impose the expectation Because in business, remember, running a business, you're wearing different hats. But if you have a business partner, you need to know how much degree of control he's going to do and what are the things that he's going to offer in terms of money, in terms of time, in terms of expertise. That's the reason why it's always better to have a business agreement or business partnership agreement before you even jump in handshake business partnership. Okay? Okay? All right, guys, again, if you learned something, please click share and subscribe. Today, I'm Christopher, founder, an IRS acceptance agent, and founder of Wycotax, an all-year-round, all-in-one tax payroll bookkeeping service solution. If you have any tax, bookkeeping, and payroll problem, we are offering a 15-minute free consultation by clicking the link below. What are you waiting for? Click today and book your consultation. Again, here in Wyco-ffee Break, everybody deserves a break. Stay safe.